Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing how to get everyday free Chia coin. Now check my wallet status. I have a two transaction. I copy my wallet address and I go at Chia together. Go here and pass your wallet address. Complete I am human robot processing. I'm complete and I click claim. When I click claim, here is claim if successful. Please wait a few minutes to receive your rewards. For more information, now go add wallet and wait for transaction completed. Check my wallet. The transaction completed successful. Check here. Check my balance. Here you can see my balance changed now. And if you want to earn every day free Chia, go log in here and you every day get a Chia automatic. If you log in, you activate the feature to autofill your address. Thanks for watching. If you like this video,